Hey y'all, I hope everyone's doing well today. Just a couple updates. So I think I'm finally done with all my California solo trip content. Within me posting all those videos, I noticed a couple things and learned a few things. My views jumped from about an average of 200 a video to 800 a video overnight when I posted my last face one with this background. Don't know why it happened, don't know how it happened, but I'm grateful. I thought it was just gonna be like one fluke because I had the video on my face and it wasn't like travel stuff. It got to 800 overnight, I couldn't believe it. So then I posted another one. I finished up a couple of my content videos with the travel and sightseeing stuff, and they all hit between 700 and 800. Now I have one up over 1,000. Then I went on live yesterday, and my views dropped to I think it's 37 on my video right after I went on live. And I'm like, freak, did I get shadow banned? Did they not like something I did? I don't know, I was freaking out. So I made another content with the last stills of my Cali pictures, and they're up to over almost 400. The weird thing about it is that I haven't really gained any new followers. I'm sitting between 860 to 870 for the last couple weeks, even within my views jumping like that. So I think that's telling me that I'm getting better engagement with the people on my page. So thank you all to you so much, because I'm not really getting any new followers. So I'm thinking about doing a grow room. Would anybody come to a grow room with me and help and get new followers and engage? And also, has anybody done a grow room? And please comment. Let me know how your experience was. Let me know what you learned. Yeah, let's go. Have a great day. Much love to y'all.